In a world where time is everything, who wouldn't want their iPhone to handle the little tasks for them? Whether you're an iOS user looking to streamline your daily routines, or a developer wanting to tap into the power of Apple's AI, Siri Shortcuts are your secret weapon. With just a few taps, or a simple "Hey Siri," you can automate tasks, build personalized workflows, and even connect your favorite apps for a seamless experience. No matter if you're just starting out or already familiar with Apple's ecosystem, this guide will help you unlock the full potential of Siri Shortcuts and take control of your iPhone like never before. What are Siri Shortcuts? Siri Shortcuts is a feature introduced by Apple that allows users to automate tasks and create personalized workflows on their iOS devices. Essentially, shortcuts streamline repetitive actions, enabling users to execute multiple tasks with a single tap or voice command. These can range from simple actions, such as sending a message, to complex workflows involving third-party apps. Key benefits of Siri Shortcuts: efficiency. Siri Shortcuts let you automate common tasks, saving time and reducing manual effort. Seamless integration. They work directly within the iOS ecosystem, meaning you can use them across iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Customization. Siri Shortcuts are highly customizable, giving you the ability to craft workflows that suit your daily routine, whether you're a busy professional or a tech enthusiast. By integrating Siri Shortcuts into your day-to-day tasks, you can harness the power of iOS automation and significantly enhance your productivity. Getting started with Siri Shortcuts. Before diving into the world of automation, let's start with setting up the Shortcuts app and understanding its basic functionality. Step 1. Download the Shortcuts app. The Shortcuts app is available for free on the App Store if it's not pre-installed on your device. Once installed, open the app to begin exploring. Step 2. Navigating the Shortcuts interface. Library. The library is where all your created or downloaded shortcuts are stored. This is the main hub for managing and organizing shortcuts. Gallery. In the gallery, you'll find a variety of pre-built shortcuts that you can immediately add to your library. These are categorized by tasks such as productivity, health, and social networking. Automation. The Automation tab lets you set up shortcuts to trigger automatically based on conditions, such as time of day, location, or app usage. Tip: explore the gallery for inspiration. Apple has curated many ready-to-use shortcuts that showcase the app's potential. Creating custom Siri shortcuts. Custom shortcuts allow you to personalize actions that meet your specific needs. Let's create a simple shortcut as an example. Example: good morning. Shortcut. Objective: this shortcut will greet you with the weather forecast, start your favorite morning playlist, and display your day's calendar events, step by step. Guide 1. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. 2. Tap Add Action and select Apps, then choose Weather. Select Get Current Weather to start your day with the latest forecast. 3. Tap Plus once more, select Calendar, and choose Show Today's Events. 4. Next, tap the plus icon again, select Music, and choose Play Music to play your morning playlist. 5. Once you've added all actions, tap Next, name your shortcut, for example, Good Morning, and confirm. Now, every morning you can say, "Hey Siri, good morning," and your shortcut will automatically run the actions you set. Top 5 Essential Siri Shortcuts for Productivity. To help you get started, here are 5 powerful shortcuts that can streamline your day and boost productivity. 1. Send ETA. With a single command, send your estimated time of arrival, ETA, to a contact. This is useful when you're on the way to a meeting or event and want to update someone without manually typing a message. How it works. The shortcut automatically fetches your location, calculates the time it will take to reach a destination, and sends that info via iMessage to Do Not Disturb Timer. Set a specific timer for Do Not Disturb mode to minimize distractions while you focus. How it works. Trigger. Do Not Disturb mode for a set duration, for example, 1 hour, and automatically turn it off after that period. 3. Create meeting. Schedule a new meeting or event on your calendar using a pre-configured template. How it works. This shortcut prompts you for meeting details, time, location, attendees, and adds them to your calendar with one tap. 4. Text last image. Instantly share the last photo you took with a chosen contact. It's perfect for quickly sending a picture without navigating your photo library. How it works. The shortcut fetches your most recent photo and opens it in iMessage for easy sending. 5. Get directions home. With a single tap or voice command, open your preferred Maps app with turn-by-turn directions to your home. How it works. The shortcut uses your current location to map the best route home, launching either Apple Maps or Google Maps. Automating daily tasks with Siri Shortcuts. One of the most powerful uses of Siri Shortcuts is automating routine tasks to free up mental bandwidth. Below are some common tasks you can automate. 1. Morning routine. Automation example: workflow. Automatically play your favorite morning podcast, turn on Do Not Disturb, and open your to-do list app when you wake up. Time saved. You don't have to manually open multiple apps each morning. One shortcut handles it all. 2. Managing appointments. Example: workflow. Automatically create calendar events or set reminders when you receive an email about an upcoming meeting. Time saved. No need to switch between apps. Just automate the process with a shortcut. 3. Sending messages. Example: workflow. Automatically send pre-configured messages, for example, on my way or running late, to a contact based on location triggers, such as leaving home or work. Time saved. A single tap or voice command sends the message, so you can focus on driving or other tasks. Advanced tips and best practices. To fully master Siri Shortcuts, consider the following advanced tips. Organizing shortcuts. As your list of shortcuts grows, organizing them is essential. Group them into folders based on categories like work, health, or social. Rename shortcuts to reflect their function clearly. Use shortcut suggestions. Siri often suggests shortcuts based on your app usage and behaviors. Keep an eye out for these suggestions on your iPhone's lock screen or spotlight search. They are tailored to your habits and can significantly improve your workflow. Integrating with third-party apps. Expand the functionality of Siri Shortcuts by integrating with third-party apps like Slack, Trello, or Spotify. Many popular apps now offer shortcut actions, allowing for more complex workflows. For instance, you can automatically update a Trello board when completing tasks, or use Spotify to create mood-specific playlists. iOS updates and new features. Stay up to date with the latest iOS features as Apple continuously adds new capabilities to the Shortcuts app. Recent updates in iOS 17, for example, have introduced enhanced automation features and tighter integration with third-party apps. Conclusion: start mastering Siri Shortcuts today. Siri Shortcuts are a powerful tool that can drastically improve your iPhone experience by automating tedious tasks, creating custom workflows, and integrating your favorite apps. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity at work, organize your personal life, or simply save time, the possibilities with Siri Shortcuts are endless. Now that you know the basics and some advanced tricks, it's time to start experimenting. Try creating your own shortcuts and share your favorites with us in the comments below. The more you explore, the more you'll realize how Siri Shortcuts can revolutionize your iOS experience.